So we're up super early this morning, way before sunrise, because the time has come to leave Richards Bay. The boat is ready. The crew, I think, is ready. Is the crew ready?
I'm ready.
The farewell party is ready. Just waiting for the captain to finish his last minute shower, and we're ready to go.
We'll have a good time.
Hi, dude.
Bye.
See you guys.
Hey, guys.
Richards Bay Port Control, Richards Bay Port Control, Richards Bay Port Control. Sailing your Cassius, sailing your Cassius, sailing your Cassius on channel 12. Port Control, Cassius is cleared and leaving South Africa, heading for Tanzania.
How are you feeling on this beautiful day, Zhenya?
I'm feeling very excited, a little bit queasy, getting my sea legs back. So that's why I'm hand steering for a bit so I can look at the horizon. The sea state could be a bit better, to be honest, but we knew it will be a bumpy ride.
It's a bit rough. And we've got our young crew here of Dino.
Yeah.
How you feeling, Dino?
I'm feeling good. Taking a video for my mom. Freaking out.
And how do you find it being on the water so far, buddy?
Pretty good. Excited and not that bad. Not. I thought I'd be seasick by now, but I'm good.
Boy.
I'm probably gonna get seasick, but good for now.
Well, let's get outside, huh?
Yeah.
Quite exciting. We're here sitting on 9-10 knots wind, and all of a sudden we're smashed with 30.
And we're doing a speed of generally 7 knots, reaching to times at 13.6 knots. Pretty hectic.
The waves are pretty steep.
And we've been sailing for a long time, Jen, so it's a bit daunting.
Yes. Whilst we're bouncing around the swell, let me explain what our passage plan is, what our plan of attack is. So we left Richards Bay this morning and we're sailing very close to the coast in about 50 meters of water because that's the way to be out of the main current flow. Once we get to Sodwana Bay, we're going to change course and we'll drive for Zavora. We're expecting a little bit of a countercurrent, not flowing countercurrent through here, but we'll see how we go. Once we get to Zavora, we're going to change course once again and get across the current. So we're expecting quite a bumpy ride through here, but once we're out and in Mozambique Channel proper, we're expecting the sea state to calm. Feeling good?
Good. Traveling fast.
Going fast. How fast?
8 knots.
Yeah, all good. So we're ready for our first dinner on board. Let's see what Richo made for us. Let's try some.
It's alright?
Very nice. It's beef and kimchi stew.
Correct.
With brown rice.
Day 2 of our journey across the Mozambique Channel. Conditions, terrible conditions. This seems like it's a storm that's have left us. because that's how the sea state looks, but however it's no storm been here at all. Whoop! We are finding these big holes, big mountains we keep falling into, and as we're falling into it, we're reaching between 13 to 15 knots. Then we come out of it, we do go about 5 knots, and then off we go again with a surfing wave. The wind's doing about 20 to 25 knots. Whoop. We are finding that it is absolutely just chop. We get side swell from all angles. We've nearly lost the kayaks. We've lost our mop. We've ripped the dinghy cover. What else have we lost? Have we lost Dean? No, Dino's over there.
Over to Dino. How are you feeling, Dino?
Feeling good.
Are you excited or are you regretting your life choices?
I was this morning, but I'm good again. It's really a good experience, so I'm happy I did it. The night shift was quite difficult. The first one wasn't too bad, but I couldn't sleep when it was Richard's turn, and then the second night shift was a lot more difficult. But I got some sleep this morning, so I'm good.
That was beautiful.
Was it?
Oh shit.
You right?
Yeah.
That's how we live on a boat. One hand is always on something. Hanging on to something all the time. By the time you get to anchorage, you're still used to grabbing onto things. The boat is perfectly still and not moving and you're still like next.
You do that when you're on land too.
Yeah. As the sun is rising on day 3, Richard is trimming the sails. What are you doing, Richard?
We've got a bit of a knock into the boom. We haven't seen this in a long time, and I think the bang is making a bit of a noise.
I had a really good sleep last night. Thanks for Captain doing the watch. A little bit of my watch. No, it's good. I think we already have gone through the current because the sea state has come down heaps. The sea state is actually really good. Got some nice southeasterly. So we're going into the wind with the sea behind us. It's actually a really nice quick sail. We're going 7-8 knots.
Oh! Ah, shit! What have you done to my line? I got my lure back.
Nothing on it. Damn! Dino, what was your highlight of day 3?
Not being seasick and seeing dolphins.
Highlights. Every single second of the day is my highlight. Living the dream of overtired. Don't know what day it is. Still tying up shit. My highlight is sitting on the helm and just steering the boat. and that's it. Oh,
Hot shower! Today's day 3, so we're allowed to have a shower.
well, poor Dino didn't have a hot shower.
Look, my hair is clean.
And a cold shower.
So as we're in the middle of Mozambique Channel, oops,
Stop and look at the camera.
it's a windless day and we're motoring. Sail is furled, so we decided to take this opportunity to do some washing. We've got some wet clothes. Can you imagine we're in the middle of Mozambique Channel? It looks like maybe we're in the marina, but we're actually in the middle of Mozambique Channel now doing our laundry.
On the way to Madagascar.
On the way to Madagascar, as you do. But this is sailing life for you. Not just sipping cocktails and watching sunset, but sometimes doing mundane stuff like laundry.
Make sure you peg them right out though, Jean.
Yeah, I'll have to triple tag them.
Yes, we don't want to lose any more clothes.
3 pegs.
Weather was far too rough last night.
Full water tank so we can have a shower today.
Yeah. Sailing over to Barren Islands now.